Welcome back to the channel guys, hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in MacBook Air M2. It's very quick and easy. I have also created a previous video on how to screenshot a specific portion of the video or of a screen in MacBook. For this one, I'll teach you how to take screenshot in MacBook. So let's get right into it. For full screen capture, you have to simply press Command, Shift and 3. After you have done that, the screen will automatically take screenshot. To capture only a part of screen, you have to simply press Command Shift plus 4. You can use either command on your keyboard because there are two commands and two shifts on your keyboard, and simply click on it and it will appear on your screen as screenshot taken, and the screenshots will directly be saved on your desktop. As you can see here, there are 3 screenshots that I have already taken that are currently on my desktop. And here's a bonus tip. Press Command Shift plus 5 to open the screenshot toolbar where you can capture screen recordings as well. And that's it guys, you now know multiple ways to take a screenshot on your MacBook Air M2. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for new videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.